हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम अब देखने वाले हैं कि आपके सिलेबस में क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं। 10th स्टैंडर्ड के सिलेबस में रिड्यूस सिलेबस फॉर स्टैंडर्ड 10th मैथमेटिक्स स्टेट बोर्ड ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। दिस इज आवर टुडेज टॉपिक, सो लेट अस गो टू दैट। मैथमेटिक्स पार्ट 1 10th स्टैंडर्ड, वी हैव गॉट 6 चैप्टर्स। ये 6 चैप्टर्स हैं और मैथ्स 1 इज़ अलजेब्रा, ये चैप्टर्स हैं और ये पेज नंबर्स हैं हमारे रेफरेंस के लिए। इस पर बेस्ड मैं हर चैप्टर के चेंजेस चैप्टर वाइज आपको देती हूँ। सो अलजेब्रा में अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में कोई रिडक्शन नहीं हुआ, राइट। लीनियर इक्वेशन, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स, ये चारों में रिडक्शंस हुए हैं। पेज नंबर 2, पेज नंबर 3, पेज नंबर 4, five, page number 16, then page number 17 and 18, page number, and page number 28. So यहाँ पर इतने चेंजेस हुए हैं लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल्स। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। इसमें कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड और साथ में जो सम ऑफ रूट्स से इक्वेशन बनता है वो 2 चेंजेस हुए हैं। सो दीज आर द चेंजेस, यू कैन जस्ट सी देम and with that you can go ahead, but these are not deleted portion. These will not be asked in examination. My request to you is you should solve these questions because mathematics, this is the base of it. In financial planning, the last exercise is removed. Page wise the information is being given to you. 4.3 is completely removed, which is based on shares and mutual funds, and 4b exercise, that is problem set, is also statistics. Your assumed mean and step deviation method of finding mean, these 2 methods are removed. Accordingly, their numericals are also removed. Reading of pie diagram, solved examples and the example based on it are removed. I will again request you not to leave this topic. You should prepare this topic not just examination point of view, but you should know how these things are done. Now we'll remove this and we'll go to mathematics part 2, which is geometry. Here we have got 7 chapters. Page numbers are given to you for reference. In this trigonometry and geometric construction, there is no change, whereas similarity, Pythagoras theorem, circle, coordinate geometry and mensuration, there are certain changes. Again, page wise changes are being given to you. Please note page number 8, 9 and 10, that is angle bisector theorem, property of 3 parallel line, and the numericals based on it are removed from the chapter similarity. But again I will say that you are not deleting the topics. You will solve the topics and try to get the knowledge of mathematics. Because it is difficult time, we are reducing the syllabus, but as it is said, these are for self-study. Apollonius theorem is the application of Pythagoras theorem which is removed from the examination list, not from the textbook. Circle, tangent secant theorem is not there for the examination, but it's a very important topic. I expect you to solve the questions in the form of self-study. Videos are there. Your teachers are also teaching you. Please see the videos too and go ahead with solving. Coordinate geometry, slope of line is removed. That complete page with exercise 5.3 and the related questions in problem set are not there. These are the questions. The last one here, exercise 7.4, is completely not there for the syllabus. I hope I have given you the complete information. Difficult time, but this is a silver lining from Government of Maharashtra by reducing the syllabus to 25%. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, subscribe.